In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Instagram comments with Manychat. Automating comments can be a game changer for managing your social presence, saving you time while engaging with your audience in meaningful ways. So let's dive into this step-by-step tutorial to get you up and running smoothly. First, you'll need to log into your Manychat account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to set one up. It's a straightforward process, and having your credentials ready will make things go much faster. Once you're logged in, the next step is to select your Manychat Instagram profile. Ensure you've already connected your Instagram account to Manychat, otherwise you won't be able to proceed with automations related to Instagram. This step is critical as it links your automation tools to the right account. Now, after selecting your Instagram profile, it's time to look for the Automations tab in your Manychat dashboard. This section is where all the magic happens. By accessing automations, you have the power to create and manage a range of automated activities that can enhance your interactions on Instagram. Once you're in the automation section, you'll want to look for the option to select new automation. This feature allows you to start setting up a fresh automation process, customized to your unique needs and goals. Clicking on this will bring you closer to creating an automated environment for your comment management. With the new automation ready to be crafted, the next thing to do is to select New Trigger. This is essentially the starting point of your automation sequence, the action that will cause your automated replies to kick in. Triggers are essential because they define when and under what conditions your automation will respond. When it comes to setting the new trigger, choose the option that says user comments on a post or reel. This choice is crucial as it determines the specific context in which your automation will engage, meaning it targets how users interact with your specific content types. Following this, you need to make a decision on the scope of your automation by choosing whether to trigger it for all posts or reels, a specific post or reel, or your next post or reel. This selection gives you flexibility and control over your automation, making sure it aligns with your strategy and intended audience interaction. Once you've set the trigger conditions, it's time to define the trigger words. These are keywords or phrases that, when detected in a user's comment, will prompt your automation to respond. Crafting these carefully will ensure your auto replies stay relevant and beneficial to those interacting with your content. Finally, it's time to set up a public reply. Your public reply is the message that will automatically post in response to comments containing your predefined trigger words. Be sure to keep these replies courteous and engaging. Personalized responses can greatly enhance user experience and keep your audience coming back for more interaction. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully automated Instagram comments using Manychat. This automation will not only streamline your engagement strategy, but also free up valuable time to focus on content creation and other important tasks. Good luck and happy automating.